Hello students. The previous class we have already studied about rational numbers. Today we can start another portion, irrational numbers. A number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form P by Q, where P, Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. Understand? A number is called irrational. It cannot be written in the form P by Q. P, Q are integers. Q not equal to 0. Understand? Now we can write some examples for irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, etc. are the examples of irrational numbers. Now we can locate these numbers, these irrational numbers on the number line. First we can locate root 2. Locate root 2 on the number line. Now you take one scale and pencil. Then draw a number line. See 0 and 1. Now you construct one square of unit length. This length is 1 unit. Then you draw the other side. So this is a square of unit length. We can give the name O, A, B, C. Then you draw the diagonal, that is OB. See, this is a right angled triangle. OAB is a right angled triangle. This angle is 90 degree. According to the Pythagoras theorem, this hypotenuse, this side square is sum of squares of these two sides. That is OA square plus AB square is equal to OA square. OB square. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. We know that these are unit length. So OA is equal to 1 unit, that is 1 square. AB is 1 square. Then 1 square is 1 square is 1 plus 1, that is 2. That OB square is equal to 2. So OB is equal to square root of 2. See, this diagonal, that is root 2. Understand? Now this root 2 we can represent in this number line. Then take the compass. This is root 2. Now you can represent root 2 in the number line. Yes, this is the point root 2. Understand? I will explain once again. First you can draw a square of unit length, then draw the diagonal. That is the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, this OA square is equal to AB square is equal to OB square. Then OA square is 1 and 1 square, AB square is equal to 1 square, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then OB is equal to square root of 2. This line is root 2. Then we can draw this root 2 in the number line. Okay. Next, we can locate root 3 on the number line. Okay, the same way you can draw a number line. This is 0. Take 1 unit of square. Then draw a square of unit length. Unit length. This is 1 unit. And this is also 1 unit. Then draw the diagonal, that is root 2. In the previous question, we have already discussed about this. This is root 2. See, now you draw a perpendicular line. So draw a perpendicular line from here and take 1 unit from here. This is 1 unit. Then we can give the name OA, BC. This point is D. Do you understand? First you draw a square. Then the OB, draw a line BD perpendicular to OB. Then this angle is 90 degree. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, this line is the hypotenuse. Join it. So this is hypotenuse. So sum of squares of these two sides is the OD square. So then according to the Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Then what is OB? OB is root 2. Root 2 square plus what is BD? BD is equal to 1 unit. So 1 square. Then root 2 square, that is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So OD square is equal to 3. So OD is equal to square root of 3. So this line is square root 3. Understand? First you make the square. Then you draw a perpendicular line to OB. Then draw the join these 2 points OD. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, root 2 square plus 1 square, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then OD is equal to root 3. This point is root 3. This point we can locate in the number line. See. Okay. This one is root 2. This is root 2 and this is root 3. Understand? Now the next question. Locate root 5 on the number line. Same way, first you draw a number line. This is, then you take it 2 centimeter, 2 units, 1, 2, 2 units. Then here you take 1 unit in 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Then join these 2 points. This is A, B, C. So this is a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. According to the Pythagoras theorem, OC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 2 unit. So 2 square. BC is equal to 1 unit, that 1 square. 2 square is equal to 4. 1 square is equal to 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So OC square is equal to 5. So OC is equal to root 2 5. Understand? Then first you draw a right angle of length unit. This OB is 2 unit and BC is equal to 1 unit. Then join the hypotenuse. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So sorry, this is A. AC square. AC. This is AB and this is C. AB. This is AB. So this point, this line is root 5. Then we can locate in the number line. This point is root 5. Thank you, dear students. We will continue tomorrow.